Now the next thing we're going to be looking at right now is Boolean. Okay, Boolean is just true or false. Okay, zeros and ones. It's just the test to say if a value or variable is true or false. So let's quickly look at how we can work with Boolean. Okay, so I'm going to delete all this and I'm going to do a save as, and here we're going to have Boolean.php. Now we're going to change this to Boolean, and here we open and close our PHP tag. Okay, now let's set a variable. Let's call this bool1 is equal to true, and let's set another one called bool2. Let's set it to false. Now true and false are case insensitive in PHP. You can write it all caps lock or no caps lock or capitalize the first word. Just don't put it in a quote. Okay, it shouldn't be in a quote, because when you put it in a quote it becomes a string. Okay, now the true and false in a string or in a quotes makes that become a string. Now when you write them like this, it specifies the statement of fact. Okay, trying to confirm if something is true or not. Okay, so that is how it works. So we'll quickly echo that to see how it works. So let's echo bool1. Okay, and let's echo bool2. So let's go to our browser and check that out. So we have booleans.php and we have one there. Now the question is, which of them have one? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do it in a way that we're going to understand. So I'm going to put this right here and I'm going to open a new PHP tag for this too. So let's call this bool1. So we have PHP here, and let's close that here, and we have bool2, then we have PHP, and we're also going to close that here. Now let's refresh that and see. Now you see that our bool1 is equal to 1 and our bool2 is equal to nothing. Now the equal to 1 means bool1 is true. That means of course there's something there. I mean, true is true, true is true, true is 1, true is on, you know, logic boolean. So you can still use booleans to check if something is set or not. Now something being set is if it's active. Okay, let's just use the word active. Okay, so that is some of the functions of a boolean. Let's just check some few of them. So I'm going to copy this, I'll put a break tag there, we put br tag, and we're gonna paste it, and here we're checking if it's set. So now we're going to echo is set, the function is set, and the variable in a bracket and close the bracket here. Okay, so let's do that, and we do another is set. Let's put a break tag here, let's copy that and paste it a couple of times. So to is set like 3 times, so let's say is set 1, is set 2, and is set 3. So echo is set bool 1, bool 2, and let's just say bool 3. No, you know, we have nothing like bool 3, but let's just say bool 3. Okay, let's Control S and see how that works out. Now when you see that, you see that your is set 1, which is for bool 1, is set. That means there's something there. Yeah, it's been assigned. Okay, it's active, so it's been set. So your bool 2 is also set, but since there's no bool 3, that means it is not set. Okay, so likewise, you can also unset a particular variable. So to do that, you use your unset function. Use your unset function. Okay, so that we're going to do it this way. So we're going to unset bool 2, and we're going to save that. So let's give a couple of BR tags here so you get the difference. So let's refresh that and see. Okay, there's a mistake somewhere. Well, let's quickly go through that and see how it works. Okay, now we're going to unset bool 2, and we're going to echo all of this back again to see if it really worked out or not. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that, but before I paste it, I'm gonna unset put a PHP tag there, and I'm gonna unset bool 2, and my semicolon there, and we're going to echo that again and see what happens. Okay, now you say that your bool 2 has been unset. That means the only one that is set now is bool 1. Okay, so that is how it's been done. Now bool 2, since it's unset, we say it's null. Okay, null, null. So you can check for null or empty by using a particular function called the empty function. Now that one goes like this. So let's delete this, and let's say we're checking for empty. So we're checking to see if bool 1 is empty, and let's refresh that and see. Now bool 1, is it empty? Now if it's empty, you'll see 1, but since it's not empty, you'll see nothing. Now let's quickly assign another variable called bool 4, and let's set it to null. Okay, let's just set it to null, and now let's check if bool 4 is empty. Now let's refresh, and you discover that bool 4 is empty, which is null. Now you might have null or 0. It also means empty. Okay, so if you have 0, when you refresh that, you see that there's no change. That means it assumes 0 is a null number. Okay, so that is it for Boolean. We're going to talk more about Booleans when we'll get to logical operations later in the video. But for now, see you in the next video.